2011 was a significant year for Audiopipe as we opened our new manufacturing facilities in Haining, China. With the setup of Audiopipe Factory, products get a direct access to the upgraded semi-automatic assembly line, advanced gluing machine center, powerful drying machinery, full automatic magnetizer. All of these enable us to produce high-quality speakers consistently. Moreover, the professional sound testing room and inline Clio testing equipment guarantee the best and most consistent sound output. From the moment Audiopipe was established, we devoted ourselves to specialize in all kinds of audio products. Now we are a leader in all kinds of audio accessories, blocks, drivers, cables, subwoofers, coaxial speakers, mid-bass, amplifiers, PA woofers, PA cabinets, marine speakers, home audio, outdoor speakers, and installation hardware. In 2010, Audiopipe's own advanced edge extension technology, patented, was applied to our popular TSAR VR subwoofers. And just in the following year, concave magnet technology, patent pending, was engineered by Audiopipe, which allows easier installation of high-performance tweeters. Whether you need deep bass or a loud and clear sound, Audiopipe has the products that deliver.